Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can make the voiceover cry in 11 Labs. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course log into your 11 Labs account. And now that you're here, you'll go to text to speech section, which is under the playground. And then what you will do is you will either click create a new speech, or if you already have your existing speech here, what you will do basically is just type your text. So, for example, or you could also paste your script into the input field. So it really depends on you. So, for example, let's say something like "Hello, 11 loves," and then to make it cry, you will just have to basically put a bracket like this, and then you will just have to click you will just have to type cry, and then put another bracket again, and then you will just have to generate the speech to see if it did work. So just wait for it to load, and then now
Hello, ElevenLabs.
so as you can see
Hello, ElevenLabs.
So as you can see, it worked, and you can just choose your desired voice here, of course, so that you will be able to emphasize the crying effect more. And yeah, that's basically just it. And you will just have to download it if you're already satisfied with everything. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.